Hello everyone, now we are going to talk about the gap number 2. It is about the reading text. The time for this paper is 1 hour and 50 minutes. The paper has 7 parts, which are explained below.
My name is Vanesa Acosta and I'm going to talk about part 1 and 2. Part 1, multiple choice cross. This part contains a text with a multiple choice question. Each question has 4 options, A, B, C, or D. We have to decide which is the correct answer and we have marked 1 each for each question. This part is focused on vocabulary, idioms, collocation, phrasal verbs, etc. Next, please. For to do this part, we have to read the text quickly and understand the topic. We have to read the whole text and don't look at the possible answers on the next page because they are designed to confuse and distract us. Pay close attention to the words before and after the gaps. And also then we have to look at the answer and select any answer that we guessed. We don't have to spend more time on this part because that's a difficult question and we can find the answer with logic. Next, please. Part 2, open close. This part consists of a text in which there are 8 gaps. In this part, as there are no set of words to choose from, we have to think a word that will fill the gap correctly. This part focuses on grammar, vocabulary. The missing words can be articles, prepositions, pronouns, etc. Next, please. When choosing the correct answer, we have to read the word that is before and after the blank. We keep in mind that we must take into account the general meaning of the entered text. The answer always will be a single word. We don't use abbreviation or contraction of words. And finally, we have to make sure to read the title and the full text before answering any question. Thank you.
My name is Alexandra Cahuana. I'm going to present part 3 and part 4. Let's start with part 3 to refer to word formation. The question structure is 8 gaps with a separate part with STEM words in capital letters. The purpose is to fill in each gap with the appropriate word. I need one to refer a vocabulary skill. In this case, it focuses on lexical understanding of structure and learner knowledge. In the next slide, we are going to see how the question is structured. In part 3, each correct question refers to 1 mark. In part 4, it refers to keyword transformation. It has 6 questions with 3 parts. Each question has a leading sentence, a keyword, and a second sentence. The purpose is to get the fields between 2 or 5 words, and the second sentence could be similar to the leading sentence. It refers to reinforce grammar and vocabulary, and also it refers to lexical, grammatical, and flexibility of use of language. In the next slide, we're going to see how the question is structured. In part 4, each correct question refers to 2 marks.
Hi, my name is Adriana Criollo. I will continue with part 5. Here we have a multiple choice. There are 6 questions and 4 options, and the questions follow the same order in the text. First, you read the questions and check the options. After that, you read the text, and at that moment, you underline the keywords, and after that you compare the answer about the questions in the text, and you deduce what is the meaning.
My name is Lucia Gaona. I'm going to talk about the part 6. It is referred to a gapped text. In this part, there are 6 sentences have been removed from the article. And this is important the candidate decides which sentence is the best fit each gap. They understand the structure because after the text, there are some sentences which are not in the right order. And the candidate is important to read very well because there are 6 sentences and 7 options because it's 1 extra sentence which do not need to use.
Okay, my name is Tatiana Vayas and I'm going to continue with part 7. Part 7 consists of 1 long text or 6 shorter text. preceded by 10 questions. Candidates are required to locate specific information which match the questions. To do this, they need to understand details, attitude, or opinion in the question, and locate the section of text where the idea is expressed. Discounting ideas in other sections which may appear similar but which do reflect the whole of the question accurately. And also it's important to mention that some of the options may be correct for more than one question. Thank you.